Nordell is a manufacturing service. It's primarily injection moulding and plastic extrusion. Also includes ultrasonic welding, assembly, test.
Our clients are in a wide range of sectors, from medical to industrial to scientific, and automotive and oil and gas.
Nordell, time-served company, been around for 50 years. We've very recently registered Nordell Charmin. This offers us the ability to service our global companies with a complimentary service at any point on the globe.
Nordell took on the challenge of taking over a running palm, and they did that against a very tight timescale. So it didn't really matter whether the idea came from us or more often it came from Nordell. We worked together to achieve the component we required.
Our greatest strength is our team. This great team of people has built a great company, and we are growing. In the last 5 years, Nordell is near twice what it was.
The customer makes one phone call, gets one answer, and gets one service.
We have an ability like no other to adapt to what our customers' needs and expectations are.
The Nordell Edge is to rapidly understand each individual customer's needs, act upon it, and quickly deliver value-added services.
We do what we say we do, and we do it well.